one student can plant just one tree. It's like one student, one tree program, which could be introduced. Many of the social programs that the government has, canal digging program, social awareness program, all these can have students as participants, as the torchbearers of our programs on the implementation level. So we don't see school as an isolated platform just to deliver teaching. Schools should be an integral form to bond communities. In any community, if you want to drive a change, whether through social awareness program, something we want our guardians to understand, then students can be the most important vehicles to transmit that, so that they transmit the knowledge that we have, the information we give to their families. We believe as a government, to make the change, the family is the most important unit of analysis. That is the very reason why we have family card for women, we have farmers card for agriculture, farming people, and we believe to make the change, to have real impact in terms of policy making and implementation, if we want to bridge that, we have to empower our children so that in return, they can transmit what we want to do through their families. Their family values, that is the very reason we are talking about the principles and integrity. And student, through technological intervention, through curriculum change, through real world and practical, more teaching methodology, I think that is far more achievable. So our Honorable Prime Minister has that vision that we want to train our children as the finest citizens of Bangladesh with the right technicality, right skill set, and the knowledge required, not only for pass or fail, but to become the citizens that the country aspires them to be. And that is the reason why our Honorable Minister has been working tirelessly as per the instruction of our Honorable Prime Minister. There will be major changes, but it will not be done in a year. We are already in mid of 2026. So not all changes will be done in 2027. This is impossible if it comes to curriculum, if it comes to creating that infrastructure. So we see education as an ecosystem, and changes will be made more on an incremental basis with practical, pragmatic, and sustainable solutions. It's not wise if we go aggressively putting policies one after another. Every step that we make, it has to be solid. And that solidity comes from consensus, from data-driven, informed decision-making. And if we're going to create that ecosystem, I think the role of academics, practitioners, international stakeholders like UNICEF, that is imperative. We have the vision, but how to reach to that destination, the journey, is defined by people like yourselves. Thank you very much.